Dear children, we welcome you all at Air Force School Chateri Kanpur. Virtual visit is being planned to connect you better to school along with online classes in present challenging situation. I hope you all will enjoy the virtual visit. I thanks to HM and teachers for such initiative. My lovely children, in fact, this school is missing you all. Till then, take care, stay at home, keep hale and hearty. God bless you all.
Hello, my dear children. I am Miss Kavita Yadav.
Hi, my lovely children. I am Miss Anshita Gilotra.
We both welcome you all to the virtual tour of your school. As we all know that our school campus is much quieter because of the COVID-19 pandemic. But children, don't worry, as now we both means me and Anshita ma'am will take you to the virtual tour of your school so that you all can cherish your memories.
Children, let's start our virtual tour of our school with a small message from your respected HM ma'am.
Good morning, my dear parents, children. I hope you are all keeping safe and taking good care of yourself. Children, we have made a small effort to take you on a virtual visit of the school. I hope you all enjoy it and recall all the sweet memories associated with it. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Anshita ma'am, isn't it? Our school assembly stage and ground really missing the morning prayer. Before the COVID-19, it used to be very lively and now it's completely quiet.
Yes, Kavita ma'am. But children, you all should not leave your habit of doing prayer in the morning. You all should daily do prayer before you start your online classes. Let's move ahead, Kavita ma'am.
Children, do you remember? You all used to read news headlines, words of the days, and get to know temperature of every day from this news headlines board. Children, but now you all have the news headlines and words of the day in your online class groups also. You all should listen to it very carefully to enrich your general knowledge and vocabulary skills.
Children, we have few surprises for you all. I'm sure you all will be very happy to know about few infrastructural development of our school. Children, as you can see, camera installed in corridors. Children, such cameras are installed in all your classrooms, outdoor areas, playing areas.
Now, when you all will rejoin your school, you all will feel more safe because of these cameras. And children, you all should be more disciplined and obedient as now the video surveillance of the complete campus will be through this LED in HM ma'am's office. And HM ma'am will also be keeping an eye on every child.
Children, now let's move towards our activity room. Here is one surprise for our tiny tots. Children, now we teachers can use this interactive floor projector as an innovative digital learning tool to promote learning through active play and hands-on activities so that we can strengthen problem solving and critical thinking skills of our children.
Anshita ma'am, hope you remember before lockdown, our classrooms used to be filled with voices of our students. But now, we all can see these empty classes. Children, the benches, the smart boards and the green boards are eagerly waiting for you all to join them.
Children, you all can see that your Kids Corner and IAF Corner board is updated with your activities. Children, keep up your enthusiasm and take part in more and more activities.
Now, let's enter to our computer lab. Anshita ma'am, we all can see the blank screen of these computers, how sad they are looking. Children, these computers are eagerly waiting for you all to rejoin the school and occupy your seats.
Dear tiny tots of our school, you all must be missing the fun which you all used to have on these playing equipments. Come soon and enjoy your rides.
Anshita ma'am, but what about our primary children? They must be thinking, what about them? Children,
Don't get disheartened. We have a surprise for you all.
here we go. Let's see the most enjoyable part of our school, the playing area. Wow, what amazing swings for you all. We are sure, children, that you will be entertained here a lot once the school reopens.
Children, do you all remember that many of you have planted saplings on your birthdays and in your clubhouse garden activities? Children, these saplings have grown up now and you all can see it through the greenery in our school. And it has enhanced the beauty of our school. Children, you must never stop this habit of planting saplings to make your environment clean and green.
Children, you all have heard about sense organs. But to improve your cognitive, motor, and intellectual skills, now we have Sensory Park in our school campus that has different sections to touch, feel, see, and experience through sensory stimulation.
Children, now moving ahead towards our house garden areas. First area is of our Tejas house. You all can see an innovative butterfly made of broken tiles and a colorful train of wooden logs. Now comes Sukhoi house garden area. Oh, what an interesting smiley face feelings and expressions painted on these tin boxes. And this creative carving woodwork and tire work is just wow.
Ahead towards Sarang House, we all can see a wood log man giving a message of stop cutting the trees, it pains, and plant more and more trees. And here comes our last house, Dhruv House. Children, here's a game is being painted on floor patch for the development of your IQ skills.
Children, you must have heard this saying that be late but don't be Mr. Late. So, what does this signifies? Let us have a look. This is a traffic park. The work is still in progress. It is set up to create awareness about traffic signals and correct way of using vehicles on road. Children, I am sure you will learn traffic rules by experiencing it in this traffic park. Here are some small messages from your teachers for you all. Let's have a look.
Hello children. So how are you all? I hope you all are very well. See, I am there in this class and I am preparing for your teaching class. And study well, be at home, safe at home and enjoy yourself. Bye-bye.
Hello Bacho, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. So we all are waiting for you to come to school.
Good morning children, how are you all? I know you will this class now. I know children, but it's a pandemic, so stay at home and stay safe.
Thank you to all MTS staff for taking care of maintenance of our school during this pandemic COVID-19. We all hope, children, that you have enjoyed the school virtual tour.
Children, stay at home, be safe, take care.
Bye-bye.